us, investing in the health of our babies and children under 5 is about securing the future of KwaZulu-Natal. By giving our children the best start in life, we build a healthier and more prosperous province. While we've seen a welcome reduction in the rate of severe acute malnutrition, which now stands at 7.2% for 23-24 financial year, which is the lowest we've had, by the way, in 3 years, there is still work to be done. To eradicate malnutrition-related deaths, we must encourage early case detection and address underlying social issues like teenage pregnancy. Additionally, we will strengthen breastfeeding support through the Mother and Baby Friendly Initiative and continue to empower nutrition advisors to provide essential services at the primary healthcare and community level. Phila Mbokodo as a focus on women's health. Chairperson, as we continue our journey towards a healthier KwaZulu-Natal, we must recognize the critical importance of preventative healthcare, especially for our women. As part of our new Phila Mbokodo strategy, we will elevate our focus on comprehensive screening and testing for cervical cancer, breast cancer, and uterine cancer, ensuring that early detection and treatment are accessible to all women, regardless of their background or circumstances. We want this to be the female equivalent of Isibaya Samadod, with a focus on creating awareness on sexual reproductive health, including family planning and HIV and AIDS awareness, and I speak to non-communicable diseases like high blood pressure, to mention but a few. Our program will also address the broader health and socio-economic challenges faced by women in our province.